In this video, we will show you how to install LED taillights on the 2009 to 2012 Dodge Ram. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by lowering the tailgate. Towards the side of the taillight, you will see two T15 screws. Go ahead and remove those now. Now we can remove the factory tail light, then remove the light bulb sockets. Here, we will connect the reverse light socket to the tail light harness and remove the brake light bulb. Connect your new LED tail light to the tail light harness. Make sure the polarity is matched up correctly from the connector to the light socket. Now we can place the LED tail light in the stock location. Replace and tighten the two T15 screws. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.